You ask, we answer. Talking about warranties. Obi, you sell new and used cars. If I say to you, is warranties important to a customer? Yes or no?
Definitely yes.
It's an absolute peace of mind. So talking about peace of mind, Sishan, like the name of the town in the Northern Cape, wants to know the difference between an aftermarket warranty and a factory extended warranty. And I think that is absolutely critical.
Yeah.
I've got a factory warranty. You deal with Mazda, you deal with Ford. That is true peace of mind. I've got an aftermarket warranty from ABC Warranties. Is it the same?
So, no, it's not the same. So let's take it from beginning. What is a manufacturer's warranty? That's what comes with a vehicle from brand new. Different brands have different covers. So I'll speak with what I know, which is Ford. It will come with a 4 years or 120,000 kilometer warranty. So that means whatever latent defects get covered in that period, 4 years or 120, whichever one comes first.
But that's a solid warranty. I mean,
Yes.
you take 4 years, 120, that's giving you 30,000 kilos a year. Average mileage, 15 to 20.
100%.
Highest mileage, 25. So giving you 30,000 kilos a year for 4 years,
Yeah.
that's far better than Toyota, as an example, who are considered the absolute leaders in the industry in terms of reliability. What are Ford saying when I give you a 4-year 120?
So they say in they cover you comprehensively, bumper to bumper.
And we trust our product.
And you trust our product. The difference now between a manufacturer's warranty as well as an aftermarket warranty, it depends on the cover that you go for. So it will never be compared to the manufacturer's warranty because they cover fully.
Right.
I always say, and anybody that knows me knows that I'm big on warranties. Read your fine print because different warranties cover different options. For example, if you get warranty A, warranty B, warranty C.
We're talking aftermarket now.
Aftermarket.
Right.
Yeah. Warranty A will cover a certain amount towards a gearbox, for example. They'll cover full comprehensive, but it'll cost you X. Warranty B will cover you only 20,000 Rand towards the gearbox and will cost you slightly less. And warranty C will only cover you 5,000 Rand towards the gearbox. You have to top it up with your own money.
So let's look at warranty C as an example.
Yes.
If you've got 5,000 Rand towards a gearbox, honestly, that is absolute petty cash. Shouldn't even be offered, in my opinion. And if you do know the right people, like Obi, Nikki, or myself, don't even consider option C. Option A, the fully comprehensive in aftermarket. Is that a viable option?
It is a viable option. I always say get a proper cover, especially for bigger engines, big cars. Get proper cover because you never know what happens. And no one has 50, 60,000 Rand lying around to fix a gearbox, for example.
YAWA was brought to you by Change Cars. Our name says it all.